guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are not in the studio, we are in my room at my actual house. So I'm not at my boyfriend's house for once in my life. I'm actually at home. So if the sound quality sounds weird, if the lighting is a little different, that is why. I'm not at home. I don't have all of my fancy lights. I have my ring light obviously, but I don't have all of the lights that I usually have to make this work. But for now, this is what we're gonna do. So this is just gonna be like a kind of get ready with me. I'm going to play around with the new Morphe Vault collection, and I'm just going to do like an eye look with it because I've really wanted to play with it and I have free time tonight. I'm going to get my nails done at 8:30, so I got a couple hours to kill, so I wanted to play with it. So I'm going to start off by obviously priming my face. I use the H2O Beauty. This is the Hydration Treatment Gel. It works for my skin, so it kind of has like a chemical smell though, so if you're not into that, you may not like it. It kind of smells like Windex, and it kind of looks like Windex. It's blue. But I like to use it all over my face and all over my eyes and underneath my eyes, and just really get my face moisturized because you guys know I have dry ass skin and kind of sucks. But yeah, so just prime my skin. If you guys haven't seen my mermaid video, it's up on my channel, and my do-it-yourself mermaid crown is also up on my channel. So go give those videos a watch, give them a like, and let me know in the description down below if you guys like those videos and if you're gonna create a crown, and just, yeah, it's awesome. You should go check it out. So I am going to break into this Morphe Vault collection, this Jaclyn Hill one, and I don't know which one I want to do. I think I want to play around with Dark Magic. I think that's the one that I really wanted to play with. I'm just gonna double check. Yeah, this is the one I want to play with today. So Dark Magic looks like this. It's very beautiful. It has all of these really pretty greens and blues, and it has shimmers, and it's just really fucking pretty, and I'm really excited. So I'm going to put the other ones away for a bit, and we're going to get into this collection. So I haven't looked up anybody's tutorials on this yet. I haven't looked. No, that's not true. I watched one girl do tutorials. She did all 4 palettes and she did all 4 tutorials, and it was really cool. But I haven't really like sat down and watched a tutorial on how to do it or how to make a look with this, so I'm just kind of winging it. So this is just kind of like a get ready with me. So I have all of my brushes here and ready. So I'm going to take out my blending brush. So I have just a couple of brushes. So I have a Morphe. I have a ColourPop E2 brush and a ColourPop E1 brush that are very stained from my last looks that I did. And then I have a Slimmest Glam N15 brush, and I have the Luxie, used to have a number on it, it's the dual-ended Luxie one. So I'm gonna I'm gonna make sure that there's nothing on this brush. I think this brush is just really stained. Yeah, there's nothing on it. So I think I'm gonna go in my crease, I think I'm gonna put Potion in my crease, which is like an army green color. So first impression, just dipping my brush into it, the fallout is about what I would expect for Morphe colors. So it's nothing like ABH, that's for sure, and it's not horrible. There is kick up, but I think that just means that these are going to be pigmented, I hope. So I'm just going to tap it off and get into this. So first impression, these are the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Vault. This is the new ones because she originally had released these and they were really, really bad. They were patchy, they weren't blending properly, and they needed to be repressed. I'm not finding that I'm liking the way this blends out at all. This is the first color I've tried and it's not blending very well. It's actually extremely patchy, which is not like Morphe. Morphe colors are usually really easy to blend out, and it doesn't take a lot of work. You just kind of put it on your eye and blend it out, and it's great. I'm finding that I'm having to work with this color. Like, I just put it on my eye and it's super patchy, and I've been sitting here blending it for the last 30 seconds and I'm like, what the fuck, why aren't you blending? So, but I'm gonna try anyway. So now I'm going to go in with the flat end of my Slimmest Glam brush, and I'm going to go into Inside Job, which is this like dark teal right here. So my thoughts on that color is really nice. It's really pigmented and it actually looks really beautiful paired with Potion. So that was Inside Job, and the color I have in my crease is Potion, and it's starting to blend out a little bit nicer and a little bit better. So it may 100%, like, it may be just me, like, that I'm just not used to this formula, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. So this looks really pretty so far. So now I think I'm going to go into Temptress in my outer corner, which is this black color, and this black has a shimmer to it. So I'm going to use a step 2 for the shadow brush, which is a tapered, it has like a tapered end. So it's really good for corners. So I'm just going to make sure it's clean. Yep. I'm just going to go in with this black color and just put it in the outer corner. Sorry, sometimes my SD card just likes to stop, and my camera will just be like, filming has stopped for no reason. So if it randomly has a cut where I didn't have black and then I have black now, that's why. It's fun. So I have something that looks like that. I'm going to go into Trickery, which is this beautiful green shimmer color. And I am going to wet my brush. Well, I'm going to go into it first and then I'm going to wet my brush. So I'm just going to... So the shimmers have no fallout, like, at all. It's really pretty and really reflective. I like it a lot, actually. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. My brush is still wet, but I think I may wet it more. So I'm just gonna zoom you guys in a little bit so you can see how pretty it is. And I really like it. Alright, so now that we have the eye portion done for this, I'm going to clean up the edges a little bit, and I'm going to put on my foundation and some bronzer and stuff, and then I will come back to finish the eyes with you and give you guys my thoughts on this palette. So I will BRB. Alright, so I have my foundation on and some bronzer on and a little bit of highlight, if you can see it. Bam! Bam! Yeah, I don't know if you can see it. I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter, and I'm actually really happy I purchased it. It was only like $15 at the drugstore, and it's like blinding. It's so beautiful and stunning, and this is the, what color is this? This one is Pearl, and there is also another one called Iridescent, and Iridescent is like even whiter than this. This one has a yellow like transition to it. Yeah, it kind of has like a yellow transition to it, but I don't really notice it that much on my skin, but my skin is, I have a very yellow undertone, so it just kind of cancels it out. With me, personally, it's great. For somebody that was like more with the pink undertone kind of thing, they might want to do Iridescent, because Iridescent doesn't have the yellow shift at all. So that one is really pretty, and I'm really excited I got it. It's so shimmery and sparkly, and it looks beautiful. But anyway, enough talk. Let's finish this look. The last thing that I need to do with my face stuff is my setting spray, so let that sink in. So I'm going to do some liner. I'm going to do a winged liner. Good enough, I think. So I was using the liner that I got in my Ipsy bag a long time ago, and it's almost dry, mixed with the Sex Kitten by Tarte. And then on my waterline, I am using the Vasanti Kaja. So now that that is done, I'm going to do my under eyes. So I am going to go back into the first color we used, which was Potion, which was that army green color. And I'm just going to put it on the eyeshadow side of the brush, and I'm just going to go underneath. And then I'm going to go in with inside jaw, just on the inner and outer corner. So yeah, something like that. This is very smoky and very vamped out. This is a very intense eye look, and I'm actually really loving it. So I'm gonna quickly go in and put some lashes on, and then I will be right back, okay? So this is the finished look. Once everything is done and you have your eyelashes on and you have a wig on, or you have your natural hair color, whatever hair color you want. I really wanted to use my Future Pop wig for this video, but I think I left it at my boyfriend's house because I don't seem to know where I put it. It's somewhere around here. But I really like this look. This look turned out really pretty. This is a really intense eye look, so I mean, like, this may not be somebody's everyday makeup, but I definitely really like it. It makes my eyes pop, and it's really pretty with this wig. And I'm loving the shimmer color, the Trickery color. It was like the shimmer. So I'm gonna do the 3 colors that I did on swatches on my arm, so you guys can, or on my hand actually, so you guys can see what they look like swatched. So these are the 3 colors that I used. I don't know if you guys can really tell, my lighting is pretty bright. So this was the color Potion, this was the color Inside Job, and this was the color Trickery. So this is the palette held up. It's really pretty. They don't really swatch the best, and the shimmer one really doesn't swatch that well, but whatever, that's not a big deal. I think these are really pretty. I did have a little trouble with Potion for blending it out into my crease. I don't know if that's just me or if that's just the formula and I'm not used to it. I'm not sure. This is the very first palette out of the bundle that I'm trying out obviously today, so I don't really know if it's me or if it's the formula or if I got a dud for that color. I don't know. I'm gonna have to play with it more and see if I can figure out how to make this look a little bit better, but I think this look turned out really pretty. It's really, really vampy and really, like, it's intense, and I think it looks beautiful with this wig. So far I really like the palette. It does take a little time to get used to the formula, as I've said, and it does take a little work to blend out the colors, but I mean, it's not a big deal. You just have to be patient with it, and you can get really pretty looks with this. This is a really intense look. Holy crap. I'm looking at it through my viewfinder, and it looks so much darker in my viewfinder than it does in my my little mirror I have right here, so I hope that when I'm editing this it's not terrible, because it looks really good in person, so we'll see. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below. We just need 5 more subscribers and I will do another giveaway, and the next giveaway will be makeup again, so if you guys are looking to get some makeup products from me and brushes and stuff, hit the subscribe button and check out my other socials. I have Twitter, which will be right here, and it's also in the description, and I also have my Instagram, which will be right here, and it'll also be in the description. I don't really use anything else like Snap and all that. I stopped using Snap a long time ago, and once they started updating it and making it just ridiculous, I just deleted it. So I don't use it. I use Insta stories all the time though, so if you guys are interested in seeing what I'm up to in my day-to-day life, just give me a follow on Instagram and you'll be up to date. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment, please leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good night.